How to deactivate your account temporarily. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. And to know how to deactivate your account temporarily, watch this video till the very end. Make sure that you've installed the latest version of Instagram on your device. If you have already done so, then simply open the Instagram app. After opening the Instagram app, you will see an interface like this. Down right side, you will see your profile. On the top right side, you will see three vertical lines. When you tap on this, you will see there is the option of account center on the top side. When you tap on this, you will see many options right here, but you should just scroll down and up until you see the option of personal details, and from here just tap on account ownership and control, tap on deactivation and deletion, tap on your profile, and if you want to delete it completely permanently, then tap on delete account. But I want to delete and deactivate it temporarily, so I will tap on deactivating my account temporarily, tap on continue, and then now what you should do is retype your password and tap on continue and just follow the steps that it says, and then your account will be deactivated temporarily. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any suggestions or comment, then please do comment in the comment section. So that's it for today. See you on the next video.